Hello everybody, welcome to Ribeira's Kitchen. My name is Yasemin. Today I'm preparing two different dishes, two different vegetable, very delicious dishes. And this can be served as a main dish. You can eat it with bread, or you can serve as a side dish to the barbecues like salads. And one of them made of eggplant, the another one made of purslane. These are very digestible and very healthy. Should I have piqued your curiosity, then keep watching till end of this video. And now let's go to the recipe. But before go to the recipe, let me remember you to subscribe to this channel and visit the other videos of mine. And in the other channel, in my Turkish channel, you can find different recipes with subtitles too. And now let's go to this cooking.
I'll start with the eggplant salad. For this, I let 2 eggplants bake in the 190-degree oven wrapped in a baking foil until they are well baked. Sometimes it needs to be baked longer. Finally, check that the eggplants are done. You can also grill the eggplants until they are done. They will also taste very good. After baking, peel the eggplants. They are easy to peel, and since they are well done, they can be cut very easily, as you can see here. I cut a bunch of parsley and mix it with the eggplants. Add fresh cutted tomato into. Garlic cannot be missing. For this, I cut 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the mixture. I also add 1 teaspoon red pepper powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon olive oil into the mixture. If you like, you can add also fresh mint into. So, our eggplant salad is finished. Now, I'm preparing the purslane dish. I have 250 gram purslane here, which I will wash and drain. Some information by the way, purslane is rich in iron, calcium, potassium and vitamin C. If you find this vegetable, grab it and cook with it. So, washed and drained, I cut them into smaller pieces. Add a bit olive oil to the pan. Fry half an onion. And add the purslane into. You can find the recipe in the video description as well. Continue frying them with 1 teaspoon paprika paste, Add 1 peeled tomato, add 2 tablespoons water into. Cook it for 10 minutes on medium heat. Let's come to the seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon red pepper powder, half lemon juice, salt and black pepper into. Keep cooking them until their juice has reduced a little. So, our purslane dish is finished too. Natural yogurt on top rounds off the taste. This is a delicious vegetarian food. Without yogurt, it's vegan too. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do this. It's free. Let your comments and questions. And if you activate the bell, you will be notified of the new videos. See you in different recipes. Bye!